Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you guys how to make kombucha. Kombucha is made from something called a SCOBY, which stands for Symbiotic Culture of Bacteria and Yeast. Now, you could buy this stuff from a health food store, but it can get really expensive, so I like to make my own. Kombucha is full of probiotics that are so good for your gut health, and it also tastes great, so that's always a plus. So first I like to start with about 3 cups of fresh distilled or filtered water. So just put that into a pot and then turn the stove on high. Then you're going to need about 4 to 5 green or black tea bags, preferably organic. So basically we're just going to be making tea here. Then you're gonna need a cup of organic sugar. Don't use any other kind of sugar like brown sugar or coconut sugar or stevia or anything other than just plain old white sugar. Pour it into the hot water and dissolve it. This is food for the bacteria and will help this drink ferment properly. After it ferments, there's not going to be much sugar left, so don't worry that this drink is high in sugar. So once the water gets up to about 180 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, take it off the heat and then put in your tea bags. Let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then you're going to want to remove your bags. Pour this hot tea into a sterilized glass jar, and then you're going to want to put 2 to 3 cups of cold water to bring the temperature down to around 100 degrees Fahrenheit. It's really important that this tea is 100 degrees. Anywhere from 95 to 105 degrees is perfect, so it ferments properly. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take the SCOBY from the last batch you made, or you can get it from a friend or online somewhere. You can buy SCOBYs, I believe, and then put the SCOBY into your new batch. These double every time you make a batch of kombucha, so you can compost half of it, and then the more SCOBYs that are in your batch, the faster it's going to ferment. So be aware of how much you put in there, because it ferments faster if you put in too much. One time my friend made it and she said she got buzzed from it because there was alcohol in it, so don't put too much in there. And then put a little bit of your old batch, like a half a cup to a cup, into the new batch just to get some more probiotics in there. And then cover it with a breathable towel and then put a rubber band around that. Also make sure you put the date that you started it on the jar. You will forget when you started it and you'll have no idea how long it's been fermenting. And then put it into a dark place and just forget about it for a couple weeks. Some people ferment their kombucha for 2 weeks, but I like to do it for a full month. If it goes too long, like I said, it'll turn into maybe vinegar or even have alcohol in it, so be careful. Then just put your kombucha into a sterilized glass jar or container and store it in the fridge. So that's how you make kombucha. It's actually really easy. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.